Hi, it's Sarah from You Floral, and today I'm going to talk about a question that you guys ask me fairly frequently is how does buying flowers online actually work? So kind of the first step is to do a little bit of soul searching and figure out what kind of arrangements you want to create. So Pinterest is your friend, maybe talk actually to your friends, and check out blogs as well to kind of get an idea of what vibe you're going for. And then you can go to our website, and we have a huge number of flowers and greenery that is available year-round and gets shipped directly to your house. If you see something on there that you're dying to have and we don't have on our website, you can always get in touch with us and we might be able to special order it in for you. So once you've taken a look at our website, you can kind of play around and make your own cart and see what flowers you like for your arrangements, and then you simply just purchase. So the suggested timeline to purchase is 3 weeks prior to your event. And the reason we suggest that timeline is we order all your flowers directly from the farm and we order the amount that people have ordered. We always get a couple extra for those last minute people, but if you're ordering the 3 weeks in advance, then we have a much better chance of making sure that the farmers reserve the flowers that you want for you. If you're looking through the website and you need a little bit more help and you're not sure what flowers you need or how many quantities you want, you can always book a consultation with us, and our online florist will walk you through the process, they'll answer any questions you have, and then we'll end up with a recipe that tells you exactly what to order. So now you've went on Pinterest to figure out your vision, you've perused the website, you've placed your order, 3 weeks in advance, ideally. Now what? So now you're just gonna wait for your flowers to arrive on the day that you've scheduled them for. So I suggest getting your flowers on a Wednesday if your wedding is on a Saturday. And the reason is because all our flowers are shipped closed bud. So they need a couple days to open up and hydrate so they're ready for your wedding. So once your flowers arrive, you process them, making sure you check out my YouTube video on how to process. And then you're gonna make them on a Thursday if your wedding is on a Saturday. And that's all you do. It's super easy process. Just figure out your vision, look through our website, book a consult if you need it, place your order 3 weeks in advance, schedule your flowers for a Wednesday if your wedding is a Saturday, process the flowers, and there you go. It's a super easy process, and we're there all through the business hours to help you if you have any sort of questions that arise. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.